Hi guys! Hi future homeowners, hi property investors, hi to home buyers. So I'm Alan by the way, and I'm here with these beautiful ladies here.
Hi guys, I'm Sheila and we are here today with...
Hi guys, I'm Carla.
Ano nga ba yung pag-uusapan natin for today's afternoon?
So we are happy to share with you guys a very beautiful project here in Pampanga, which is the Rockwell at Nepo Center.
And it is strategically located here in Angeles City. It's one of the haven in the heart of Angeles.
So this project is a 4.6 hectare development.
And actually, it's really a mixed-use development, di ba, Ma'am Carla? Because there are really a lot of mga mangyayari na development dito sa area, right?
Yes, that's right. And speaking of which, we will also have an office building, a power plant mall, which is the first outside Makati, and the residential component.